ए फटी है मच्छे फटी अरे तारा विल ना करे वो
फटी फटी फटी
What is all this? I am not CEC. So what do you want to know?
So you had a meeting today with the CEC. I believe what apprehension that you placed?
I have not had a meeting with CEC. All the citizens groups, they said, please ask the CEC to hear us also. And today Chief Minister has also said that all the people who are interested in this project should meet the CEC. So accordingly, this Goenzo Awaz, this three members of the Goa State Board of Wildlife, then the youth associations of Goa, then the wildlife associations of Goa, they all came to meet the CEC and they said, please give us some time. So the CEC gave them 45 minutes and listened to all their, I have not said anything to them at this meeting. I was only sitting there because my only job was to bring these people, because they wanted to be heard by the CEC. I said, okay, I will speak to the chairman and you can come if he allows. So the chairman has given permission. So that is why they have all come here and they have met him. And they have all given their frank opinions. All of them have said that they are not interested in these three projects. These three projects do not, are not in the interests of Goa. They are not in the interests of Goan economy. They are not in the interests of the wildlife. They are not in the interests of the forest. They will bring no benefit to Goa. The wildlife sanctuaries are already in a very bad state today. We have visited, for example, we have gone to Mole Wildlife Sanctuary, National Park. We have gone to Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary. We have gone to Kali Tiger Reserve. We could not find any animals there. Now this means that all this existing activity, not new, existing activity has already driven away most of the animals. So we are saying, why you want to put more? More you will put. When the next generation, all these youngsters, these young wildlife people had come, they said that we are going to be here for next 60 years. What wildlife will be left for our generation if we are going to go on like this? So the general message was, no means no. We don't want any of these three projects. They are of no use to Goa. And please consider our representation. That is what they have told the CEC to do.
Sir, what's your personal opinion, sir?
My personal thing is that the CEC sent me an official letter of invitation to me to join the team, because then I will be able to show them all the places where they have proposed mitigation measures and which part of the forest is going, and to also join in the discussions, to hear what the government people had to say, what we had to say, etc. Because we have already been heard by the CEC once by video conference. Maybe we will be here being heard one more time. We have given one more representation to the CEC with more documents. But this is the job of CEC. It is not our job. They have gone around, they have seen whatever they want to see. They have got information from many places. They will then write a report and give it to the Supreme Court with their recommendations. Now, if we agree with their recommendations, then we are all happy. But suppose we don't agree with their recommendations, then we also can contest that report in the Supreme Court. So that possibility is there. Many things are possible. But generally, the CEC has supported the allegations made by Goa Foundation. For example, in 2003, the CEC has closed down all the mines in the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary on the complaint of Goa Foundation. Then in 2012 also, Supreme Court sent CEC to visit Goa because of the closure of mining. They came in there and submitted a report in December 2012. So when we give a complaint, we give it with all facts and figures. And we said to the CEC that we have no idea how you can put up project today in the wildlife sanctuary. You could put before there was wildlife sanctuary, but now wildlife sanctuaries have come in the state of Goa. You cannot have any development there because the animals have the right of way. Human beings don't have the right of way. Human beings have to ask the animals permission whether they can go there and do any trouble, any development, any project and so on. So our argument is still standing. We have filed a petition before the High Court challenging the power of anybody to do anything in the wildlife sanctuary. So those will go on. But what the CEC does, we have to respect, because they will look at it. They are experienced people. the chairman is a member who was been a chief secretary of Goa for 4 years. So he cannot be taught, what is happening. But he was very upset. He was very upset with Goa today, the site of Goa today. He was very upset with Zuari Bridge. He said, I do not know why they are doing all this. Why they are putting all these elevated roadways and this, that. He said, Goa is not concrete. Goa is what he remembers Goa. It was a small place, very nice, filled with greenery, small roads, and everybody was happy with it. Today there is all these big structures. Goa has lost. And he told me in one moment that I do not know whether I would like to come again. But this is the amount of destruction we have done in 30 years. So this is a measure of caution that we are saying we should have when we have these development projects. Some caution is required. Now you can please ask some of the people who are presented anybody of you from the groups who would like to present before them.
Do you think CEC could not give enough time to hear all these NGOs? Because I think many of them have been left out. They were waiting for to meet CEC, but they could not.
See, the CEC, according to me, should have given everybody 15 minutes. But the CEC has reached here at 4 o'clock. After travelling from Mole to Kambi Sulla, from there to MPT, from there back here, and having lunch very late, so they were tired. So chairman went to sleep for some time. Then the politicians all came. So Digambar Kamath came, Kaunte came, Alesho came, not Ale, Reginald came. They took some time. So in the end, the CEC had only small time left for them. So these things happened. They have taken all the written representatives. Now they will look at the written representatives and they will decide. And as I said, it is our sincere effort to see that the CEC has all the information that is required by it. That is our job. The main fact that we have discovered today is that what reports are put on the net, on the Environment Ministry's website, and what is being told to us today is totally two different things. For example, for Tanmar, they said in the reports they say that they will remove all the vegetation only under the line, only under the 3 lines on the top. They will remove and they will put medicinal plants. But today they are telling us that the lines will go above the vegetation, but there will be no cutting of trees. Now, like that it is changing. Now we ask Dudhsagar what you are going to do. Dudhsagar again they have changed. They said we are going to put a tunnel to the Dudhsagar mountain, which is a solid piece of rock. They are going to put the new train railway line through the mountain. Now that is not there in any other proposal. So what they are telling the CEC today is again different from what is there in the record. So it is glad that the CEC has come, because at least we now know the difference between what these project proponents are saying and what actually they are going to do on the ground. Now whether the CEC finds that satisfactory or not, they will tell the Supreme Court. We have got no role in the matter.
As far as the villages are concerned, we were more concerned about the toll passing and the pollution that was being created. We told the CEC that today 58% of the rail traffic is coal rakes. Their answer was, we have heard from the chairman that they are going to stop coal, which is again in support of what Dr. Claude has said. They are telling us one thing, and what is being told to them is something different.
Okay.
If coal is going to stop, then there's no need for a second train.
Double track. In fact, even when we quoted about figures about the power requirement, based on the white paper that the government has released, Goa government, the moment we said that the increase of the power in last 10 years from 2010 to 2020 has been only 90 megawatt from 470 to 560. So they are saying government has told no, there's massive requirement. Requirement for what? When the power requirement per year is 1.8% CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. Why is the power minister Shri Cabral saying it is going to increase by 5%? Yeah, Futi Martha. You are only coming out with a white paper. You are only contradicting yourself.
It's all a result of because they have not done their homework.
They have not done their homework.
Some of please also hear these youngsters who wanted to meet the CEC. and you have something to say.
We have given our representation. We have submitted our representations to the CC. Before that also we have sent multiple representations to them. So we are really looking forward for a positive response, and we hope that the CC is going to make a recommendation that will probably work towards revoking these three projects, because we don't want these three projects. We know that these are anti-Goa and we don't want them.
What are some of the recommendations you have made?
Well, we had a few demands that we want to put forth to the CEC. So we have a few. Our major demand would be to give a recommendation that is going to scrap these three projects. And besides that, we're really looking forward for a positive response.
We were known that these projects were for the nation's interest, but when we consider the whole nation, we have so many options. But since they are taking place in Goa, Goa is very vital state and there is no much option, so it is really a destruction. That's what we wanted to tell CEC.
Same thing. Goa is a very small state, and we have seen like what it was in the past and what's the current situation right now. If you could come across the Kortaling side and all, you will explain. You can't explain. You yourself have seen how the hill cutting is done, how the dust and everything is been kind of very disturbing to the eyes of even they have mentioned it, like they have been very shocked to see all the state currently. So even the trees which have been cut, it's very disturbing to see. So I don't think so. All these three projects are much required for us now and in future, because it's our future and we have to save it for ourselves.
Tell your name, please.
I am Atishwas from Bombay.
I'm Neola Sibal Pereira from Machapali.
I'm Sabira Sheikh from Vasco.
Now one of the response that we get from the CEC is that we have to engage with our local government. But the confusing and disturbing thing is that government has been changing things, especially the explanations that are being given. Every day the things are changing and we don't know what exactly is the right thing, and we are not sure even if our government is really sure about what we want in Goa. So that is the disturbing thing that is to be considered, and we really need to come to our senses and save our Goa. If it is not saved today, then this is a permanent loss, not only for Goa but for the entire country. This is also a national interest. If Goa is lost forever the way it is today, then it is a big loss for the nation, and all the tourists who are coming to Goa for this particular purpose, that are natural beauty, it will be lost forever. So it is going to be a loss for everyone.
सर तुम्ही CEC टीमिंग में कितें सजेशन
CEC हांवें काही दिसा पयलीं लेटर बरयल्लें म्हजे कडेन खूब डेलिगेशन्स आयिल्लीं and they wanted me to write letter to them also, bringing all the facts to their notice. And then I had also written them a letter addressing all the apprehensions, doubts in the minds of the people of Goa with respect to these linear projects and also import of coal. So in that connection, since they had come, I decided to meet them. Myself and my two colleagues were also there in assembly. We met them, briefed them about all the factual position today what is there. They also have visited most of the areas. They have visited Mollem, they have visited Port Trust and all that. Mr. Jai Kishan knows lots of things about Goa because he has served in Goa. So that's what we said, we will also discuss with many of the people.
त्यांचे कशें कितें रिएक्शन आसलें?
तशें रिएक्शन तर दाखोवपाचें ना. Supreme Court appointed central empowered committee. They cannot express their opinion, but they will listen to everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही कितें कितें सजेशन दिल्लें त्यांना?
सजेशन म्हणजे फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट प्रिंसिपली द प्रोजेक्ट्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर गोवा. गोंयाक पयले प्रोजेक्ट कित्याक हे हाडल्या हो पयलो एक प्रश्न येता. wherein all the three projects we have discussed. Karnataka, where it comes to about the road infrastructure, we are not in consonant. Ami kartan te kartan don vegre asa. We are overboard trying to widen the highways, wherein Karnataka Kali areas is still indispensable. When you are having issues discussed in Karnataka, the same are not being considered in Goa. Environmentally, you have Karnataka and Goa being shown separately. Again, Mollem being put in three different parts for environmental clearances straight away shows that there is something much more than what is required to be seen. But Digambar Kamat also, his power minister's time, he shared what is the road requirement. So, the power of the Tamnar project in Sotta, what is the peak power, what is the off-peak power, here discussed what are the options required, that also has been spoken about. The own JERC norms and the commission which we are following says that we need to shift to solar, roughly about 150 megawatts to be generated by 2022. So your ideas, Kalpana, jo asat, any wrong information going from Rail Vikas Nigam, the rest of the authorities to them, for promotion of whether it is Adani or Ambani or coal, where we are saying no to coal, has been a very clear statement. So we have appraised him of what the repercussions are. If we are a tourism state and we are wanting to be a tourism state and looking at options of being a knowledge-based industry, I think we are waywardly going different towards coal. Coalso गोंयकारांक नाका वो क्लियर आसा. कोळशाचे शिपमेंट कमी जावंक जाय हें सेंट्रली मोदी सरकार उलयता की कोळसो देंवतलो म्हणून. कोळसो देंवतलो रेल्वे कित्याक जाय? when passengers are not much on the track. डबल ट्रॅकिंग कित्याक प्रायोरिटी घेतलें? दादागिरी कित्याक चल्ल्या? आनी हें सगळें करता आसतना there has been no proper clearances, whether from the National Wildlife Board or from the statutory authorities, which they have done. So what the government here is doing is just bulldozing their things, maybe just to appease a few of their higher ups or for commissions or what, I don't know. But definitely we have put our foot down. Then mole amka naka, and mole anga linear projects samaj aile, asle projects which are destructive to the environment. It is definitely going to be a lot of problems. Yeah, Makaista, the secretary being here, the chairman being here earlier as a chief secretary already has knowledge about the state. Yes, what he was appraised as that he's personally moved around and seen the whole areas himself. Certain areas which have shown to him have also been quite surprising in terms of the knowledge what the state gave and what actually was. So we expect a very clear mandate from the CEC to be given in terms of what the people's mind is, people's sentiments are, what the actual requirement is, आणि मोला हे लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स हाडपाच्या फाटल्यान कितें एक्चुअल आसा काय ना जाल्यार फक्त कोळसो असो क्लियर दिश्टी पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर आमचो ठाम विरोध आसा टू एन्श्योर दॅट कोल डज नॉट कम इन टू गोवा.
We all three of them met the CEC and we advised him the situation. See, I told him that existing but highway ha at for Padra Devi to here the highway 4 lane 6 lane 4 lane चालू आहे त्याक पण झाड मारले ती अजून देखो पती रोयला ना ओल्ड झाड मारले आमगे सृष्टी एनवायरमेंट काबार केला कितले डॅमेज केला इकोलॉजी वॉटर टेबल दोंगर घातले आनी कित केला इतू वास्ट डॅमेज केल्या रेक्टिफाय करपाक कांय केलें ना. सो तुमी आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग करूं सोदताय. डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोणाक आतां पड कोल आहा तो पड वयता तो ऑलमोस्ट 12,000 million metric tons वयता आतां एक्जिस्टींग. तुमी डबल ट्रॅकिंग करून 24 करूं सोदताय प्लस एक्जिस्टींग रोड पड केले इथे इट ऑल बॉयल्स डावन इवन त्यो जेटीज केले त्यो रायट फ्रॉम रिवर नॅशनलायजेशन पयलीसान पासून आमी उलयताय ते इज ऑल फॉर कोल. नो वन कॅन डिनाय इट. पोर्ट ट्रस्टान जुमीन पासून रिक्लेम केल्या कोला लागून बर्थ नंबर 5 बर्थ नंबर 6 5A 6A सगळे बर्थ काडले आनी तुम्ही प्रायवेटायज केले. आतां तुमी पोर्ट ट्रस्ट प्रायवेटायज केलो. पोर्ट्स बील येता पोर्ट्स बील पड येता तितू स्वीपिंग पावर्स फॉर द बोट फॉर द मर्मागोवा पोर्ट ट्रस्ट बट मर्मागोवा पोर्ट ट्रस्ट अदानी दिला going to be taken over by a private player. What is the government trying to say? At the cost of environment, you want to destroy Goa? At the cost of people of Goa, you want to have development? म्हणजे तुम्ही मुंच्या मन डेव्हलपमेंट करू शकताय. तो आम्ही एक्सप्लेन केलं का कोल येईल जाल्यार कितें जाता तें डबल ट्रॅकिंग केल्यार कितें डॅमेज जाता ती आनी तेणी आमकां सांगिलां की डॅमेज जाता ती इज कन्फर्म म्हणजे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक ते हूँ सांगू सोदताय की टनल मारताय म्हणून आनी टनल मारून डिस्टन्स शॉर्ट करूं सोदताय. टनल मारून डॅमेज जायना आनी कॉस्ट कितें टनल मारपाचो, कोणागे पयशे ते आनी कोणाक, प्रॉफीट फॉर होम, पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट कितली आहा, वॉट इज द पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट एंड वॉट इज द प्रायवेट इंट्रस्ट, वॉट इज द नेशन्स इंट्रस्ट, वॉट इज द कंट्रीज इंट्रस्ट, एक्सप्लेन केलें तांकां. सो वी फील इट इज कन्फर्म्ड. डिवायड करूंक सोदताय ह्या लोकांक, नॉर्थ गोवा सावथ गोवा रिलिजनाचेर, हिंदू क्रिस्तांव कोण म्हणटा हें. अल्टिमेटली इट इज नेचर. जो एनवायरमेंट काबार करता तेका कन्फर्म फॅक्ट हें ताका दिसांव हाच. आनी हें दीस इज अ प्रोजेक्ट वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय द नेचर, वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय द एनवायरमेंट, वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय आवर गोवा. टुरिजम बेल्ट म्हणटा काबार जातलो आनी आख्खो कोल बेल्ट जातलो. आतां वी हॅव टू सी वॉट वी कॅन डू. आतां CSC काम मेळ्ळें, CSC आमगे सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां. वी आर गिवींग आवर रिटर्न ऑब्जेक्शन्स ऑल्सो. आय हॅव रिटन, आमी चीफ प्रायम मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर, सेंट्रल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर सगळ्यांक बरयलां. वील सी वॉट वी कॅन डू. आमगे फायट टू protect the interest of आमगे गोंयकार, आमगे लोकांक.
Anything they speak, CEC, any suggestion they had given?
No, they were asking about requirements. They were asking what is the power requirement. They were asking so many things. Power requirement म्हणतो power minister सांगता की power जाय जाय म्हणून future requirement आनी कांय ना. For the last 20 years there have been hardly significant increase in the power requirement is not more than 5% to 10%. Not even 10%. कितें सांगू सोदता हे. इंडस्ट्री आहाय त्यो काबार जाल्यो आनी इंडस्ट्री नो येयल्ले. मगीर कुत्तर एक मार्मोगा स्टील मारलेली ती पडपाची आहा, तेगे रूफ पडपाचो आहा आनी तेन्ना पत्ता न्ही येतो म्हणटा ना. इंडस्ट्रीज पत्ते येयत म्हणपा आहा. इंडस्ट्रीज पत्ते येवपा देखून पोजिशनां नाय. ते काबार जाल्या इंडस्ट्री. परत येवपाक चान्स ना ताका. दॅट इज द एक्सटेंट ऑफ वॉट हॅज बीन रीच दीस 5 years.
सगळे प्लेसीस विजीट केले.
Yeah, they have visited most of the places. They are quite. He was in Goa for many years, so it's okay. He knows the area by heart. आज मायनिंग कॉमर्स करता आमी. मायनिंग खूंय पावला. मायनिंग कॉमर्स जाता तेणी मायनिंग पासून काबार केलें हें कोला लागून. मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री काबार जाल्यार कोल फ्लरिश करपाक. कित्याक जे पोर्ट आहाय, जे जेटीज आहाय ते कोला वचपाचे. ते मायनिंग केलें जाल्यार तेंगे हें जावपाचें, तेंगे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट जावपाचें. सो पार्ट ऑफ द प्लॅन इवन मायनिंग स्टार्ट करना तेच्याक आनी कितें करपाक इज गुड.
मिटींग आज कितें जालें?
मिटिंगेक तेंच्यांनी आमी जी रिप्रेझेंटेशनां दिल्ली तेचेर विचार करता म्हणून सांगले. वेगवेगळ्यो स्टडीज ज्यो आसा ह्या संदर्भांतल्यो त्यो तेंच्या कडेन सुपूर्द केल्ल्यो आसा आनी एकंदर तेचेर विचार करून आमी निश्चित गोंयांक जे कितें फायदेशीर आसा ते निर्णय घेतले.
सर तुमी सजेशन कितें दिलें?
आमी सांगलेलें की ह्या परिसरान वाघ आसा किंवा बाकीची जी जंगल संपदा आसा ह्या सगळ्याचें रक्षण जावपाक जाय अशें तेंच्या कडेन मांडलेलें आसा. आतां पळोवया ते त्या संदर्भात कितें आपलो अहवाल दिता.
तुमी तिनूय प्रोजेक्टांक सपोर्ट करता?
आमी जे आसा हे प्रकल्प जे आसा ह्या प्रकल्पांक आमचो विरोध आसा. कित्याक लागून? कारण हे जे आसा ते पर्यावरणाक, जैवीक संपदेक खूब घातक आसा.
सगळ्यांक हांगा रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलें उलोवपाक तेंच्यांनी?
ना, आमी 5 जाण प्रतिनिधी घेतले.
5 जाण.
तिनी प्रोजेक्टा खातीर विरोध?
हय.
दिवंक ना आनी आमी टोटली डिसएपॉयंटेड आसात. आनी जे भशेन हे कारोबार चालू आसा ते भशेन हे मिटिगेशन मेजर्स, थोडी झाडां सेव करतले, हे भशेन हो प्रोजेक्ट मुखार व्हरूंक, तिनी प्रोजेक्ट मुखार व्हरूंक सोदता जाल्यार आमी हाजो टोटल निशेध करतात. हे प्रोजेक्टान मातशी सुद्दां पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट ना आनी वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टाचे सामके विरुद्ध आसात. आनी आमी गोंयचो लोक जो आसा हो हे प्रोजेक्ट केन्नाय जावपाक दिवपाचें ना हें आमी क्लियर मेसेज सगळ्यांक दिवपाक सोदतात. आनी आमी निशेध करतात की जे लोकांचे आमी रेप्रेझेंटेटीव आसात गोंयांत कोणसो नाका, आमकां CECक मेळपाक सुद्दां दिवंक ना.
तुमकां रिजन कितें आसलें तुमकां?
कित्याक दिवंक ना? मेळपाक कित्याक दिवंक ना?
तांणी फक्त 5 जाणांक भितर घेतले आनी दुसरे कोण 5 NGO जे पयलीं पाविल्ले तांचे मेंबर थंय पावले. सो आमकां थंय वचपाक मेळूं ना. दो वी आर द आमी पयलीं हे सगळे 2016 साकून हें एजिटेशन चालू आसा आमच्या हातांतल्यान. आनी पूण लास्टा हे मिटींग जातकीर आमी CECचे चॅरमॅना मातसो वेळ मेळपाक आमकां मेळ्ळें आनी ताणें आमकां ईमेल एड्रेस दिला आनी आमचे परत आमी सगळे जे सबमिशन आमी पयलींच्यान दिल्यात आमी आनी एडिशनल सबमिशन्स करतले पूण आमकां मातसो सुद्दां ह्या सिस्टमाचेर विश्वास ना हे तिनूय प्रोजेक्ट ड्रॉप करूंकूच जाय हे आमचे लोकांचे विरुद्ध आसात आमचे गोंयचे विरुद्ध आनी सबंद जगाचे विरुद्ध आसा हे ड्रॉप करूंकूच जाय आनी आमचे भुरग्यांक सांबाळपाक आमी जें कितें करूंक जाय सिवील डिजोबिडियन्स जें करूंक जाय आमी करतले हे प्रोजेक्ट जावपाक दिवपाचे
तुमी सॅटिस्फाय आहात ते हांगा येवन जे पळयला
ना सॅटिस्फायड ना 3 दिसां भितर हे इन्स्पेक्शन जायना आनी तांणी हांगा येवपाचे पयलींच हे प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट करूं जाय आमचें म्हणणें की जेन्ना हे प्रोजेक्टा फाटल्यान पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट ना हां बट दे कूड I will explain to you why. Wildlife Protection Act Section 29 says such projects cannot be allowed on that basis, on the legal basis. They could have, of course, yes. So they could have prepared the report and submitted. Okay, so but from what is happening, जे press reports आयल्यात की heritage झाडां साल्वार करपाची means they are looking at mitigation measures. They are not willing to consider the basic issue that these projects are against public interest. हे ते पळोवपाक तयार ना जे भशेन आमचे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान सगळे प्रोजेक्ट पास केल्या इन पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट विदाउट एप्लायींग द मायंड विदाउट इवन वन पॅराग्राफ की कितें इम्पॅक्ट जातलो तेच भशेन आमकां दिसता हेंय मुखार वतले पूण आमी 100% तयार आसा की हे प्रोजेक्ट आमी कशे भशेन हाडायतले आमचे गोंयचे खातीर आमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर
सो वॉट वील बी युअर नेक्स्ट स्टेप कितें आसता तुमचें
वी वील वेट we are also hopeful. We hope for the best, but we are prepared for the worst. And we are 100% prepared to do whatever it takes.
Okay.
Thank you.